Good afternoon. You're most welcome to MX Breakz right here on MX24 TV. My name is Daphne Flashley. It's the weekend, and so you know how we do it here. We get to update you on what has been trending throughout in your world of entertainment, lifestyle, food, fashion, and so much more. My name is Daphne Flashley. Let's get straight into our stories for today, and we're talking about Breakz Sherif. Now, Breakz Sherif has decided to tap onto his philanthropist side because guess what? He decided to visit the 37 military hospital and paid bills, okay? Over 56,000 Ghana cedis of bills, of full bills actually, and also donated some assorted items to some nursing mothers and also the children. I think it's such a great initiative, but there's a video to that, so let's take a look at the video.
I'm amazed, I don't know if you describe my feelings. Give me all the love when I need it. Oh, your name is the one more, could I ask for? That's the way that you make me feel. I'll be lying if I say I'm not patient enough. Tell me one more, could I ask for? Blessings flow like a river, freezing cold in Medina. Neverland Peter, promising cool na majija. Took some potion dinner, I'm a master. Might be hosting a dinner. Seafood, a crunchy, jollof and dessert.
Well, that was an amazing initiative. I think that if we get to have many more of our celebrities, of our frontliners doing that, I'm sure that Ghana is definitely going to be a better place. So kudos to Breakz Sherif. No